Enterprise Orissa, we had started in 1995, thinking that we needed an industrial platform that has to be put up in Orissa, that what is industry doing in Orissa. That's how we started our journey. So after a year, now I have joined CI since 9 years. We are thinking that it is an excellent platform where corporate can showcase what activity they have done for the past 1 year. At the same time, how are they connecting to the state? What are they value adding to the state? These are few of the issues we discuss. The government also comes or has a clear knowledge of what is industry doing. The civil society understands it. It's an excellent platform for networking, and we get international delegation. It builds up international trades through CM Enterprise. So this is a one-stop agenda for the state for industrial exhibition. So this is how Enterprise is. We started small, now we've expanded. It was basically a manufacturing fair. We've added into service sector, agriculture, IT, and all other industry, and especially in this year you have the MSME pavilion, which was missing out. Highlights is an MSME pavilion. Even we have tried to put up the IT sector use, how IT sector use can be put up in larger industry as well as the MSMEs. So these are the areas which we are working at. We are also having a vendor connect session which is going to help our smaller players in Orissa. So these are a few things that you can get from Enterprise 2013. CII has been doing vendor connect session for past 5 to 7 years in various districts with DIC. So this, what we do is we generally call the larger players. They come here, the purchase head explain what are the material they want to buy. Here exactly we get those MSMEs where we can match make with them and then develop a connect among them. So CI just provides the platform for a better vendor registration. CII is into all activities. If you say CI is there everywhere. But in Orissa, what we focus basically is skill development. We try to make our youths employable. That's one area. And second area, we are working on the carbon footprints to have a cleaner technology industry present in Orissa. So the problem that the manufacturing or the mining industry have in Orissa, at least that could be solved to a certain extent, that public could accept industry better in Orissa. That is one part we are working on. Shareholder in Orissa, we have really not worked much on that, but to some extent we have tried to build up a connect with the international players and the larger players with the smaller players, and as the and government policy advocacy also we work on. So these are a few things that we work on. This is a platform where you have knowledge, like what is there, what is best for you. So as generally an exhibition in a consumer fair we go to understand what has come new or what is happening in the state. So industrial exhibition is exactly what the industry is offering you and how best are they offering you. Here we have done an interesting thing, like what we've done is we've got the CSR heads of around 15 major companies together called the CSR panel. So over there we work out a common agenda where we value add the state as a whole, not in bits and pieces. Like we are thinking of putting up a green hospital, a school building which is very much needed for the state for in the rural areas, and a medical facility. This is on the long term, we are thinking that that should be a macro plan which a CSR head should do. So CI is working on advocacy of those ideas. One thing is that the mindset of Orissa has to change. People have to learn to take risk. Once you learn to take risk, then only entrepreneurship will happen in Orissa. So I would request each and every youngster to understand that job has a limit, but entrepreneurship has no limit. So we have to work towards entrepreneurship, then we have a better Orissa.